Hi guys, welcome to Purple Rose CNY. My name is Rebecca. I am the Purple Rose. This channel showcases vintage jewelry finds that I acquire at estate sales, garage sales, and thrift stores, eBay auctions, anywhere that I can source and find vintage jewelry. Today's video is a short video, but a mighty video of a thrifted haul at a local church thrift store. And I'm gonna start out with this brooch. Okay, if you would please like the video and subscribe to the channel, that would be awesome. This brooch is a very Art Deco rhinestone and black. I think this is enamel. It could be lacquer, but I love the design here and I love the rhinestones. I don't know if this is silver plated or just not silver, just an alloy, but here's the back. Nothing special about the pin back in. It's open. Every time I try to show you a video, I almost stab myself. So I thought that was an excellent pickup. It's nice and shiny and all the rhinestones are there and it's very Art Deco to me. I love it. So that was my first pickup. This was a fun thrift store. It's not very well known until an article came out in our local paper about thrifting, and they sort of gave away all my secret spots. So this one was great until that article, and now like there were so many people there today, and it's a Wednesday today, so it's interesting when things like that happen. So anyway, this is a beautiful necklace. I believe that these may be glass beads. I don't think they're onyx, but they are definitely cold and a little bit heavy. Just some gold plated probably beads. And then I think the pink is rose quartz. I do have a meeting again with a local jeweler tomorrow who is going to go through more of my jewelry that I think has real stones, and I will be adding this to what she's going to review for me. But yeah, I think that's real stones. So I thought that was nice. And then I found these earrings. These were already marked. They removed the tag, but it said Monet on them. And these are really pretty too. I think, again, I'm having trouble with, I think these are enamel, not lacquer. So maybe actually the brooch is enamel as well, because it looks similar to me. And then faux pearl and gold tone here. And these are actually pierced earrings. Let me just remove one so we can see the Monet mark, and you can see it as it comes around the post here. And these are lowercase letters, so that is indicative of Monet in the 80s. But still, super nice, very classic and funky. I like how they're not flat. They do have a little dimension to them, and the pearl is just sort of housed in there. I love that. So 80s, really cool. Monet. Okay, you guys. This is super cool. I immediately was drawn to this. This is a gold tone, obviously. I'm not sure what you call this kind of design, but this is a dimensional eagle with the wings spread out, and it is on some sort of mountaintop with flowers and grasses beneath it. Very intricate. And then this would be the, this is like a little button that you push, and this is a pocket watch. So here's the back. This is so cool. It was just sitting there next to the jewelry like, hey, I guess this goes here. I just love this. I don't even know what this design is on the back. This doesn't have as much dimension as the the eagle does, but this is like literally just kind of laid right on top here. And then, of course, the world is designed for right-handed people. So if you push the button, it opens up to reveal the watch. And again, look at the eagle inside here with the buttons, or the numbers. And then it says quartz, and under here says Japan movement, or MOVT. A little more close up for you. So of course I reverse image searched this, and then here's that cool design on the inside there. And this came up as a pocket watch, but on the pocket watches that I found, there was a word above the word quartz that said watch-it. And I found one of those that was listed on eBay for $370. I also found one of those that was listed on eBay for $60. Now this does not have that. So I am thinking that this one may be a little older because it's not as like commercialized, because I guess the Watch It was like a brand. So I don't know. I finally did find one that was listed without that Watch It thing in the middle, and it was still in the like $75-$80 range. So I just think it's really cool. I've just never seen one of these in my price range to buy, and so I thought I would just pick it up. I love it. I just think it's really cool, and I love eagles. That's kind of my new thing. I love the American flag, and I collect American flag jewelry. And of course, the American flag sort of, comes along. The eagle is the symbol, another symbol of the USA. So I don't know. I've been drawn to some eagle things lately. So anyway, I thought that was super cool. All right, moving right along. These amazing earrings. Look at these. We're just sitting on a little display with some random earrings that they had going on, and you can tell right away these are cloisonne. This is the metal that they feed in between the enamels, and that is what makes cloisonne. And then I was fairly sure that these were silver, sterling silver beads and bead caps, or whatever you want to call those. But I wasn't sure, and they had them marked at a reasonable price. I didn't want to take everything off in the store. They were already on this card, and they had an extra little thing that went along with. So of course, I already looked at them, but I'll let you see what I saw. So pulling it off here, and I'll just give you a really nice close-up of the beads. And then here's the back. And there's no mark on the back here, and there is definitely a little wearing away. But then here's the earring back, and you can see the 925 right there. Hopefully I'm close enough. And then the other earring also does have the 925 mark on the earring back, not on the earring itself. So these also will be going with me to the jeweler, just to make sure that they are sterling silver and not just the earring backs. But I love them anyway because of the cloisonne. Look how beautiful the flowering is here. And just the colors, the green, the pink, the cobalt blue, I love. So beautiful. Okay. And then we saw these. I want to give you the full. I wish I could borrow. Actually, I'm going to borrow off of this and just clip these on really quick so you guys can see it on the white here. All right, there we go. Okay, so if you can see that, these are awesome. These are gold tone and kind of honey colored, textured lucite in there. Clip-on earrings. This is kind of a cool like little scroll work in here. Don't mind the card, the dirtying of the card. So you can tell they're translucent, but not transparent, right? I think that's right. And then here are the backs. And these are marked Sarah Coventry. Sorry, let me get on the screen here. I'm going to take those off and let you look at that. Sarah Cove. Love it. So just a cool texture. See it from the side here. And I say honey colored, and there's a reason, because these earrings are the Sarah Coventry 1974 Taste of Honey earrings. They come with a matching necklace, which was not at the store, or I definitely would have bought it. But this was available in the autumn/winter 1974 Sarah Coventry catalog, because Sarah Coventry was home jewelry. It was catalog jewelry that you bought at jewelry parties back in the day. So these are really cool. Taste of Honey, lucite earrings, clips. And then the last little jewelry item that I got at this little, and I'm telling you, it's a little church thrift store, are these awesome earrings. Look at these. These are, I thought they were silver right away. The price, they were priced higher than all the other earrings that I've shown you. But they didn't have anything on them that said like 925 or, you know, a gem or anything like that. And this thrift store, they definitely had someone that went through their jewelry, because they had a Monet tag, you know, with, it said Monet on the Monet earrings, and they knew what they had. There was other silver earrings that I actually left there because I didn't really think they were that great, but they were labeled 925 and they had prices accordingly. So these were more, but they didn't have a tag. I love the filigree. I think these are onyx. Again, these are going to go with me to the jeweler tomorrow, and I believe these are silver. So let me take one off here and show you the back. And you can see it right here, 925. So these are silver. I don't know how they missed these open back. I really do now think that that is onyx. Though these are so pretty. This actually could be marcasite as well on here. Yay. So pretty at the thrift store. Look at these, you guys. Okay. So my little but mighty haul. Real silver, onyx, possible marcasite, probably real silver, and this beautiful cloisonne. Sarah Coventry and her lucite Taste of Honey from 1974. We've got the pocket watch, the eagle. I don't know where to put stuff. This beautiful necklace, which we'll figure out the gems or the stones in there. This awesome Art Deco pin brooch. And the 80s Monet with faux pearl and enamel. I think for 40 minutes in a thrift store and under $30, I did pretty well today. I actually did buy 2 other clothing items, which I don't usually buy, but these were totally speaking to me. And I'll just tell you about them while you admire the haul here. They were a J. Crew thermal knit navy top with like a contrasting sleeve and band on the bottom, and then also an Anne Klein purple long sleeve, just nice scoop neck shirt. And it was the old style with the Anne Klein lion on it. So I thought that was fun. And that was only $1.75 because they had a purple tag, and purple meant half off today. So I snapped that up, as well as all of these. And if you are interested in any of these items or any of the jewelry on any of my videos, feel free to send me an email to purplerose@cny@gmail.com, or you can also message me on eBay through my eBay store, Purple Rose CNY. Both of those links are right below the video here. I thank you for your time and for watching, and I appreciate you subscribing to the channel and giving the video a like. Thank you guys so much, and have a great rest of your day. See you on my next one.